Imagine you can now have a conversation with your chickens. Updated. Researchers in Japan have developed an AI system that can translate chicken clucks. The system, called Deep Emotional Analysis Learning, can identify 6 different emotional states in chickens: hunger, fear, anger, contentment, excitement, and distress. The researchers are hoping to use this technology to help us better understand chickens and their needs. To put their idea to the test, they recorded sounds from 80 chickens and let an algorithm analyze them. They even got help from animal psychologists and vets to make sure they were on the right track. And guess what? They say they're actually pretty good at figuring out what these chickens are feeling. But hold your horses or chickens, in this case. They do admit that their system might not work the same with different chicken breeds or in other settings. Plus, chickens don't just talk. They have body language and social vibes, too. Despite these limitations, the research is a promising step towards a better understanding of chickens. The researchers hope to adapt this technology to other animals and lay the groundwork for incredible intelligence in the various animal-related industries. If we know what animals are feeling, we can design a much better world for them, said researcher Cluck. So far, none of the chickens have provided any historical information about themselves and the egg. There's an interesting study from the University of Queensland in Australia, which basically found out that we humans can figure out how chickens are feeling just by listening to their clucks. The researchers had people listen to recordings of chickens clucking and try to guess if they were happy or stressed. They thought only folks who are used to being around chickens would be good at this, but surprisingly, even people with no chicken experience could tell the difference. In the experiment, they played sounds of chickens getting all excited about food, and then sounds of them being bummed out when they didn't get any. The participants heard various chicken noises like fast clucks, whines, and gackles. It turns out, about 70% of the people could accurately tell what mood the chickens were in just from these sounds. The researchers, Clive Phillips and Jorg Henning, who are professors at the School of Veterinary Science, think this is pretty amazing. They believe it shows that humans have a kind of natural knack for understanding animal emotions. Cool, right? Please like and subscribe.